So we are creating and hosting our own website using the Wamp server. First, you will create your website, then put it in a folder. As instructed, I've renamed the folder first name, last name, first name slash underscore last name underscore one. So that is my website. I will then go to the Wamp server, open, right click, sorry, I mean left click, go to www directory, and then copy my website folder and paste it into the www directory. When that's done, and then open my browser, create a new tab, search for local host slash the name of the website, which my name of the website is first name last name underscore one, and then proceed to search, and it should, yep, website is loaded. As you can see, I'll browse briefly throughout the website just to make sure that it loads properly. As you can see, video, you can check it out. Sign up. Yep. Log in. And that's how you host your website using the Wamp server.